Hello everyone, this is Coach Wade, your one-stop resource to help you make money, save money, and add convenience to your everyday life. Right now on the website of Arro, and where you can learn, earn, and build credit. You can start right now for free by clicking on the Apply Now button right here. Again, I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. But finally, a credit card that puts you first. Build credit, gain control, no surprises. Start up to $300, grow up to $2,500. Earn 1% cash back on gas and groceries, no hard credit checks, and no deposit. Meet Artie, your AI money coach. Smart guidance, personalized support. Get instant answers to your money questions, personalized tips to help you build credit, and financial advice from your biggest fan. Grow your credit, level up your money. The Arro app helps you build smarter habits, learn credit basics in bite-sized lessons, track progress and unlock higher limits, and get insights to stay on top of your finances. A free experience for everyone. No credit card, no problem. Access financial tools and lessons for free. Get credit building tips without a credit card, and apply for the Arro Card when you're ready. Again, folks, I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this amazing resource where you can also earn 1% cash back on gas and groceries. Until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.